Modern and small kitchen design ideas 2024? Small apartments and homes offer plenty of charm, but they tend to be lacking when it comes to kitchen space. Luckily, there are tons of small kitchen ideas that maximize storage and efficiency. By thinking creatively about how to make the most of your tiny kitchen floor plan and utilizing whatever countertop and wall real estate you have, you can make even the tiniest of kitchens a space you enjoy cooking and hanging out in. Ahead, we've gathered 13 small kitchen design tips to help you maximize your space. Be it a petite galley kitchen or just a single wall in an open-plan apartment. Whether you're renovating and starting from scratch or just looking to refresh your existing space, watch till end on to get your small kitchen in tip-top shape. Number 1. Keep it classic. Pair classic horizontal subway tile with a creamy all-white palette to nail a classic look. Number 2. Put the microwave down below. Save on counter space by designating a home for your microwave, whether that be built in below your kitchen counter or hidden away in a pantry. Number 3. Add corner shelves. If you don't have the space for wall-to-wall open shelving, go for small corner shelves. Designer Kate Lester created instant storage by hanging 3 reclaimed barnwood shelves. Number 4. Store produce in drawers. Cut down on countertop clutter by skipping the produce bowls and dedicating a drawer to items that don't need to be refrigerated. This custom cabinet from Watchtower Interiors is filled with removable bins. Number 5. Go big with art. Just because you're working with a small space doesn't mean you can't display your art collection. Use a mix of small and large prints to create a gallery wall that adds dimension to your kitchen. Number 6. Install a pegboard wall. Paint a pegboard in a cheery hue to create a functional focal point. Once attached, load it up with some of your kitchen must-haves: measuring cups, wooden spoons, cast iron skillets, and more. Number 7. Get smart with floating shelves. Don't let windows get in your way. Stretch floating shelves across the entire wall, making sure to leave enough room between them to allow the natural light to come through. Number 8. Add sleek open shelving. Suspend open shelving from the ceiling or hang a rack high on the wall to add height and create the illusion of more space. At the same time, the added storage will minimize clutter on the counter. Number 9. Install a pull-out pantry drawer. No room for a full-size pantry? This slim pull-out pantry setup from Diamond Cabinets keeps your cooking staples, oils, spices, nuts, and more within reach. Number 10. Go for simple window treatments, or none at all. Avoid curtains or bulky blinds that will make a space feel smaller. Instead, opt for sheer curtains or sleek shades. Number 11. Stack shelves. The narrower the layout, the more important it is to take advantage of vertical space. Line a trio of shelves on a blank wall and fill them with your glassware and dishes, starting with your most used items on the bottom shelf. Number 12. Conceal everyday items. Install sliding cabinet doors and hide bulky kitchen appliances and pantry items behind them. Stash storage bins in empty shelves to conceal items you don't use very often. Number 13. Build a hidden prep station. If you're short on counter space, take a page from interior designer Jen Feldman's book by building a butcher block board with a hole into the top drawer. Then, place a garbage can in the drawer below. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey into the future of kitchen design. We hope these Kitchen Trend 2024 design tips have inspired you to create a space that not only meets your functional needs, but also reflects the latest and most innovative design trends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our upcoming design insights. If you have any questions or want to share your own kitchen design experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. Here's to a stylish and functional kitchen in 2024 and beyond. Until next time, happy designing!